How do I import my W-2 on IRS? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about on how can you import your W-2 on IRS. First of all, what you have to do is simply choose a tax preparation software. Select a reputable tax preparation software, which includes TurboTax, H&R Block, TaxAct, and others. Then create or log in to your account. If you're using a tax software for the first time, you will need to create an account. If you have used the software before, log in with your existing credentials and start a new tax return. Look for the W-2 import option and navigate to the section of the software where you can enter your income information. Look for an option that allows you to import your W-2. Then the software typically gives you the option to import your W-2 information either manually or by importing electronically. Choose the electronic import option, then enter your employer identification number EIN. You may be prompted to enter your employer's employer identification number EIN to verify and download your W-2 information, and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the import process. You may need to verify and confirm the accuracy of your imported information and then review the imported W-2 information to ensure that it is accurate and matches the information on your physical W-2 form. Once your W-2 information is imported and verified, you can continue with the rest of your tax return. After completing all the necessary sections of your tax return, follow the software instructions to file your taxes electronically. Remember to use the most up-to-date version of the tax software and check for any updates or changes related to importing W-2 information, and always follow the instructions provided by the software to ensure accurate and timely filing. If you have any questions or encounter issues, the customer support of the tax software should be able to assist you. This is how you can import your W-2 on IRS. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.